Hi there, I'm Mark. If you're wondering if your brake pads are worn, one thing you can do is listen. Give me 30 seconds to explain. Now, most brake pads have built-in audible wear indicators called squealers. They make a high-pitched warning sound, alerting you to have your brakes inspected right away. But don't delay, because with every stop, your brake pads will continue to wear. And if you keep driving with brake squeal, you may damage other brake components, like your rotors, leading to a more costly repair. Now, whether or not you hear noises when braking, you should get your brakes inspected every 12,000 kilometers or 7,500 miles. That's 30 seconds of certified service.